A fuel injector is a crucial component in internal combustion engines. It's a valve that sprays atomized fuel into the engine's combustion chamber or intake manifold. This precise delivery enables efficient burning and power delivery. There are two main types of fuel injection systems. Port fuel injection, or PFI, injects fuel near the intake valve. Direct injection, or DI, delivers fuel directly into the cylinder. This provides better efficiency, but can lead to higher wear. The fuel injector creates an even spray pattern for optimal combustion. Several symptoms indicate a failing fuel injector. These include engine misfires or rough idling, a noticeable reduction in fuel economy up to 20 to 30%, difficulty starting the engine, especially in cold weather, illumination of the check engine light with codes like P02000-0212, black smoke from the exhaust, and a loss of power or hesitation during acceleration. Fuel injectors often fail due to clogging from dirt, varnish, or poor quality fuel. Ethanol blends in modern fuel can degrade seals, leading to buildup that blocks the spray tip. Electrical faults, such as short circuits in the wiring or solenoid failures, can prevent the injector from opening properly, disrupting fuel delivery. Mechanical wear includes stuck valves due to carbon buildup, especially in direct injection systems, where fuel enters the cylinder directly. Corrosion from contaminated fuel or moisture ingress can damage the injector's internal components over time. Overheating or excessive pressure in high-performance engines can cause the injector to fail prematurely. Begin troubleshooting by scanning for OBD2 codes using an OBD scanner. This will help identify injector-specific errors. Note any codes related to injector circuit malfunctions, such as P0200 through P0212. In Step 2, perform a visual inspection for damage. Carefully examine the fuel injectors for any signs of leaks, corrosion, or physical damage. Also, inspect the spark plugs for fouling, which can be a secondary symptom of injector issues. Test the fuel pressure using a fuel pressure tester. For port fuel injection systems, the pressure should typically be between 49 and 58 psi, while direct injection systems operate at much higher pressures. Inspect fuel filters for blockages, as a clogged filter can starve the injectors of fuel. Use a multimeter to check the resistance of each injector. A typical resistance value is between 12 to 16 ohms. You can also perform a bench test by applying voltage to the injector and observing its spray pattern. The spray should be an even, cone-shaped mist.